If you use Evernote to manage your tasks, one small setting can make a big difference in keeping your workspace clean and easier to focus on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide completed tasks in Evernote quickly and easily so you can keep only your active tasks visible. This is a super useful trick if your task list is getting crowded and you want a more organized view without deleting anything. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Evernote and head over to the Tasks section. This is where all of your task-related items are stored, including anything you've already completed. Once you're in the Tasks area, take a look near the top of the screen for a Filter button or a View Options button. The exact label can vary a little depending on which version of Evernote you're using, but the idea is the same. This is where Evernote lets you control what you see on the screen. Click that Filter or View Options button and a menu should appear with different display settings. In that list, look for the option that says Show Completed Tasks. This is the setting that controls whether finished tasks stay visible in your task list or disappear from view. If completed tasks are currently showing, you'll want to turn this option off or uncheck it. Once you disable completed tasks, Evernote will instantly hide all of the tasks you've already finished. That means your task list will now only show the items that are still active and need your attention. This is especially helpful if you're using Evernote daily and want a cleaner workflow, less clutter, and a better way to focus on what still needs to be done. And that's really all there is to it. By changing this one view setting, you can hide completed tasks in Evernote without deleting them, losing them, or messing with your task history. If you ever want them back, just return to the same filter or view options menu and turn the completed tasks display back on. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Evernote guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.